Hello guys, now is your Netflix account asking you to sign up when you are trying to sign in? Then if this is the issue you are facing, then let me show you how you can solve this problem on your Netflix account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and visit the official Netflix account and go ahead up to down here and choose help. So this will take you to this page and scroll down under explore topics, then head to fix a problem. Under this, choose the account issue, and here choose your issue. For our case, it is Netflix says to sign up when trying to sign in. So if you have been trying to sign in but instead you are being redirected to sign up, here are steps you can take. Now if you are on computer, phone or tablet, then you can take these steps. Go to netflix.com/logout and then sign out. This will make sure that you are signed out before you can sign in. Number 2, after you have signed out, now click on sign in and then enter your Netflix email and password to get signed in. However, if you are on a smart TV or cable box, here are steps that you can take. If you have a back button, then you can take these steps. First, choose back until you see the option to sign in. Number 2, choose sign in, and number 3, enter your Netflix email and password to get signed in. However, if there isn't any back button, then you can take these steps. In the Netflix app, press this button in order on your remote, and these are up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 and then choose sign out, reset, or deactivate. Now once you have done this, you'll be signed out, then choose sign in and enter your Netflix email and password. However, you are told if these steps didn't work, then your account is either using a different email address or isn't active anymore. So for this, you need to check whether you have been charged by Netflix recently. So if you have a charge from Netflix in the last month, then your account is still active, but it might be set up with a different email address. For this, try signing in with a different email address to see if this works. However, you have to note that if you can't remember the email or phone number for your Netflix account, then you can follow these steps provided here to troubleshoot your account. However, if there is no charge from Netflix in the last month, then your account might not be active anymore. You need to follow these steps to restart your account. You have also to know that if you have an active gift card or promotion on your account, you might not see recent charges from Netflix. So that's how you can solve this problem, Netflix saying to sign up when you are trying to sign in. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.